When a question asks you to solve, it basically wants to find an unknown value. So in this case, the value of the letter x. In order to solve an equation, you've got to work backwards and make sure whatever you do to one side of the equation, you do to the other. So, opposite of adding 3 is take away 3. I do that to both sides of my equation, which leaves me with 4x equals 18. Next step is I don't want to know 4x, I want to know 1x. So I need to divide by 4. That leaves me with x. And then 18 divided by 4. Well, when you divide by 4, you half it, then half it again. So 9, then 4.5. And that's your answer. It could also ask you to solve when there's a bracket. Now the first step will be to expand that bracket. 3 times x gives me 3x. 3 times positive 5 gives me positive 15. And it's still equal to 21. Now, once you've done that first step, it's exactly the same method as before. Opposite of adding 15 is subtract 15. And I do that to both sides of my equation, which means we have 3x equals 6. Final step is I don't want to know what 3x is, I want to know what 1x is. So I need to divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2, and that's my answer.